everyone. So this session is about multiplication of fraction. So first thing is how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. To multiply a fraction with a whole number, or simply we know that multiplication is repeated addition. ठीक है. From nursery के मतलब almost from third we have started that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 can also be written as 2 4 times 2. Okay, so similarly here 1/8 3 times can be written as 1/8 one time, second time and third time. So 1/8 3 times means 3/8. This is a chocolate or a toffee or a bar, whatever you want to say. Let me distribute this into, what is the denominator here? 8. Let me distribute it into 8th, sorry. Okay, and these are 8s. How many 8s we are getting? One time we are getting 1/8, second time we are getting 1/8, and third time we are getting 1/8. So this is the reason, that's why we are write 3 times 1/8 is 3/8. Or we can also write it as 3 times 1/8. 1/8 time, how many times? 3 times, and 3 times 1/8, one and the same thing. This also we are getting 3/5 3 times, or we can also say 3 times 3/5. This can also be written as 3/5 one time, 3/5 second time, and 3/5 third time, which will be equal to 9/5. Let us see the diagram. Make a chocolate. First chocolate. How many pieces do we need to do? 5, because the denominator shows the number of pieces are made by us. The number of pieces made by us. So first time, how many pieces do we have? We got 2/5 and 3/5 altogether. We got 3/5 one time. Similarly, now we have to paid how many fifths? 3/5 more. We have to eat 3/5 more, but we don't have. So we need one more chocolate. We need one more chocolate. We need to break one more chocolate. Make its fifths. Now I can eat more 3/5. So 1/5, 2/5 I had in the previous chocolate, and one more fifth I had in the next chocolate. So this along with this means I got one more time 3/5. But these are 2 times 3/5 I am getting. Third time also I am getting 3/5. How many fifths do we have in total? 9/5. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9/5. But as this is improper fraction, so we have to write it in more simplified form. 9/5 means this means 5/5, and this means 1 full. And how many are left? 4/5. So 9/5 can also be written as 1 full and 4/5. Okay, you can observe the pattern here. If it is 2/7 2 times, so this means 2/7 one time plus 2/7 one more time, and that is equal to 4/7. 2 2s are 4. Okay, observe the pattern and you will be able to do these problem sums. Now if we have to, this is done. Now if we have to multiply a fraction to a fraction, now what do you think? What is half of half? Suppose I have a half, I have a half chocolate or a half chapati, you can say, and you want to eat only half of half. You ask your mother, Mama, just give me half of half chapati. So what piece size are you going to eat? What will be the name of this piece size? This piece size will be named as 1/4. Yes. So you had only half chapati, but you asked your mother, I want to eat only the half of this half chapati. Half of this half chapati. So what is the name of this piece size? 1/4. You had one half chapati. You ate only half of the half chapati. So the name of this piece size is 1/4. One more way to write it is 2 1/2 multiplied by half. This will be written as multiply. Of turns into multiplication sign. Next is, this means that we are getting 1/4. I'm drawing a half chapati again over here. I had this half, but I want only the half of this half chapati. This piece size will be named as 1/4. Now let me explain one more example to you. If we have to do 1/3 of 3/4, if we have to do 1/3 of 3/4, so first thing is, how will we write it? We'll write it as, in place of we'll write multiplication sign and we'll say this is 3/4. Make a chocolate, make a 3/4 of a chocolate. आपको उसका 1/3 खाना है. So make a chocolate, divide it into fourths, as the denominator is saying that we had how many chocolates? 3/4. So the number of chocolates we have are 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. Okay, how much are we going to eat? We'll eat only, if we'll do 1/3 of 3/4, we have 3/4, we have to make 3 equal parts. This part I don't have, so I'll draw it with a dotted line, assuming that this is the fourth piece size. If we would have, you have to make 3 equal parts of this. There are already 3 parts. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, and this together is called 3/4. But if we have to distribute 3/4 into 3 people, so each will get 1/4. Okay, and this 1/4 is the third piece size. 1/3 of 3/4, one piece of the 3/4 piece size. And what is the name of this piece size we are going to eat? We will eat only 1/4 of piece size. It will be divided into 3 equal parts. So 1/3 of 3/4 is 1/4. Only one piece. It's already divided into 3 equal parts. So what is the pattern again here? 1 ones are 1. Let me write it more clearly. We have done half of half, 1/3 of 3/4, 1/2 of 2/7, 1/2 or 4/8 4/5 of 2/9. Observe the pattern. Half of half is 1/4. If we'll multiply the numerator to numerator, we'll get 1. 2 2s are 4, means denominator to denominator 4. 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. but in the lowest form it is 1/4. Here also 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So we can't write it like this, or it will be written as 1. Or this can be explained. You have a chocolate again. You have 2 seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many chocolates you have? The 2 seventh. You two friends came, so this part we don't have. So I'll be drawing again the imaginary chocolate whose 7th I have made, and I am eating half to your friend and half to yourself. So what is the name of this piece size? Half of 2 7. The name of this piece size will be 1/7. So this will be 1/7. Similarly, we can say 4 2s are 8 and 9 5s are 45. Always write the answers in lowest forms. Now you will be doing few sums in your notebook. So you will solve 3 times 1/8, 4 times 2 seventh, 6 times 3/4 and 3 times 2/5 with a diagram properly. And you have to write another way of writing it, but chalo, just solve it with a diagram. Okay, you have to draw diagram for it. Similarly, you will be doing E part, half of 2/9. You have to draw diagram for this, and also 1/3 of 3/7. Okay, so you will be doing these questions in your notebook. Okay, next is, if we have to multiply a whole number with a mixed fraction, mixed number, how will we multiply? There are two ways of doing it, but I'll tell you the logical tarika, the visual of, I'll provide you visual. Just we'll draw how many 7s we have. 3, or I'll just reduce it, the number. I'll change this number as 2/1/5. 2 times the number of times. 2 times I am getting 2 full and 1/5. So I got 1 chocolate, 2 chocolate, and suppose this is 1/5 of this chocolate. Now let me draw fifths. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the fifths. So in total, how many fifths did I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we had 11 fifths. How many times we are getting 11 fifths? Twice. We are getting 2 full and 1/5 twice. 2 times. So it means 1 time I have given, I have received. Now second time again, the same chocolate of the same piece size, I am getting one more this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, little bit longer chocolate, just I have an option of reducing it. So these are also 11 fifths. Okay, or you can say, how many full do we have? I have 2 times 2 full chocolate. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 2 times 2 full chocolate. You can simplify this. 2 times 2 chocolates, I am getting 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 full chocolates. Also, I am getting 2 times 1/5 of the chocolate. 2 times 1/5. 2 times 1/5 means how much? 2/5. Okay, now another way, 2 times 2 1/5 can also be written as 11/5. 11/5, that is 22 fifths, and 22 fifths also means 4 full and 2/5. So this is the better way to do these type of sums. You draw the diagram for these and do these sum. Again, if we have 3.5 3 times, so how will you do it? Firstly, how many times you are getting? 3 times. Okay, you are getting 3 times 3.5 3 times. You can read it as this. You can write it also as 3 times 3.5. Now draw it. 1, 2, 3.5. One time. 1, 2, 3.5. One more time. 1, 2, 3 chapatis and a half chapati one more time. How many chapatis? How many full chapatis do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full chapatis. And how many halves? 1, 2 and 3 halves. Where 2 halves join and they will make 1 full chapati. So it means 9 and 1, 10 full chapatis and a half chapati. Okay. Now how to do it here like this? If you don't have to draw the diagram, you can simply do it. 3 times 3 chapatis. How many? 9. And 3 times half chapatis means 3 halves. We cannot write it like this. So this means I have 9 chapatis before and I have 1.5. 3 halves means 1 full and half. And this similarly, if we'll add it, 9 plus 1 is 10 and 1 half more. Okay. So just go through the pattern and do these. Now with the bigger numbers, just to escape from drawing and visualizing, we just have derived a tarika to solve it. If 3.5 is to be multiplied with 4.5, what we do, we simply make their improper fraction. So this is 3.5 will be written as 3 full and half will be written as 7 halves. Yes. And 4.5 will be written as 9 halves. How? 3.5. 1, 2, 3.5. How many halves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halves. Yes. 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half chapati. How many halves do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 halves. 9 halves. So mixed can be written and improper can be written in mixed. We can simply multiply the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So this will be 63 by 4. Now you need to convert this into mixed fraction. How many fourths can you take out? You can simply read out table. There are 25 fourths and 3 fourths will be left. 25, not 25. 63 fourths means 15 and 3 fourths. Okay. So this is the way to solve these sums. Here you need a trick. You can also use a trick. That 3 halves, how many halves can you take out from 3 chocolates? 6.5, 7. How many halves can you take out from 4 chocolates? 4 में से कितने half निकलेंगे? You will get 8 halves and 1 half you have. So there are 9 halves. You can simply multiply the numerator to numerator afterwards and the denominator to denominator. This is the way. Now next is how to divide. But before that, do solve these sums in your notebook. Okay. try these in your notebook. And next is how to divide the fractions. Now, how many, just the way of reading, how many halves can you take out from 3 chocolates? So 3 chocolates में से how many halves can you take out? What do you think? How many halves can we take out? I can take out 6 halves. I have 3 chocolates. The question is how many halves can I take out from 3 full chocolates? So if I'll do half, there are 2 halves, 2 more halves, 2 more halves. So how many halves are there? 6 halves. So here you need to think how many halves we can take out, or how many. This shows the number which we have to take out. Now how many thirds can you take out from 6 chapatis? How many thirds can you take out from 6 full chapatis? Now look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chapatis. Okay. How many thirds can we take out? 3 thirds. 3 more thirds. 3 more thirds. Every chapati has 3 thirds. So how many thirds are there in total? 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 3, 18. So there are 18 thirds which we can take out. So this is the required solution. But if we have to think of how many halves can you take out, how many halves, this is the number which shows that which we have to take out. How many halves can you take out from half chocolate? You have half already. अब इसमें से how many halves can you take out? How many halves? Only 1 half. Yes. So the answer is 1. ठीक है? The answer is 1. Or if the question shifts to, if the question here is how many 1/4 can you take out from half? How many 1/4 can you take out? 2. Half में से we can take out 2 1/4. How many 1/8 can you take out from half? Again, if this is a full chocolate, how will we shade half chocolate? This is half. Yes, we have this half chocolate. What we have to take out? We have to take out 1/8. So let me just draw the dotted lines for this, as I'll suppose that I have this half full. मान लीजिए this is a half full chapati. I'll cut it into 8s, as I have to take out 8s. As I have to take out, this shows the number of size, the piece size we have to take out. These are 4s. We have to take out 8th. How many 8s can we take out from 4 half? We can take out 4 chocolate, 4 8s. We can take out 4 8th. We can take out this piece size 4 in number. Now it looks very difficult, but when you draw the diagrams, it makes your work easy. Just what else we can do? How many halves can we take out? Half. So the rule is, If we have to do it, we have made a rule just to get rid of the diagrams, but diagrams are more important than rule. Here half will be written as, first rule is we'll write in place of divide, we'll write multiplication sign, and we'll write the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means we'll just shift the denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. Okay, so if we'll multiply this means 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. 2 halves means how much? 1 full. That is what we have done also. Half में से कितना half we can take out. So we have half chapati and we can take out only one half chapati. अगर we have half तो हम उसमें से only half chapati ही ले पाएंगे. Okay, so that's all for today. Just watch the video carefully and do all the sums given in the video. Few questions are for division here. You will be doing how many halves, how many 1/4 can you take out from half? How many 1/3 can you take out from 1/3? Draw the diagram for this. You have to draw diagram for these. Okay, these you can solve with a method also. Okay, so that's all for today. Do complete your work.